Ever wondered how the invisible threads of networking weave the vast tapestry of our interconnected world? Today, we delve into the intricate world of Cisco Certified Network Associate, or CCNA, a globally recognized certification course that offers a deep understanding of networking fundamentals. First, we'll explore the Network Fundamentals module. This is where the magic begins, where you'll grasp the basic building blocks of networking. It's like learning the alphabet before you write a novel. Here, you'll comprehend the role of routers and switches, the interplay between data and signal, and the mystery of IP addressing. Next, we journey into the realm of network access. This module is akin to understanding how to construct sentences with the alphabets you've learned. You'll discover the nuances of VLANs and interswitch communications and the importance of security in Layer 2. As we proceed, the course unfolds the complexities of IP connectivity. This module is the heart of networking, the equivalent of creating a captivating narrative with your sentences. It's here you'll master the art of routing, understand the mechanisms of IP routing and the significance of OSPF. The fourth module, IP services, is like adding punctuation to your narrative. It ensures smooth and effective communication. Here you'll learn about crucial services like DHCP, HSRP, and QoS, which enhance the efficiency and reliability of a network. Next, we dive into the world of security fundamentals. This module is the proofreading and editing of your story, ensuring it's free from errors or threats. You'll gain insight into key security concepts, access control lists, and VPNs, securing your network like a fortress. The final module, automation and programmability, is like publishing your story for the world to read. It's about making your network adaptable and ready for the future. You'll learn about the role of APIs, the concept of automation, and the power of network programmability. To sum up, the CCNA course is a fascinating journey through the world of networking. It starts with understanding the basic network fundamentals, then moves to network access, followed by the heart of the course, IP connectivity. Next, it covers essential IP services before securing everything with security fundamentals. Finally, it embraces the future with automation and programmability. Remember, mastering networking is not about rushing through a course, but about understanding and absorbing each concept like a writer crafting a masterpiece. So immerse yourself in the CCNA course and unlock a world of networking knowledge.